Well, good morning, traders, and welcome to another edition of CTFX. And in today's review, we just want to check over what happened yesterday. Okay, UJ, let's just zoom that out a bit. UJ, I took a position here yesterday. If you remember, if you go back to yesterday's video, you can see I placed a sell order over here, and I allowed it to go to this level over here, which I took profit on, which was about $300 or something. And it actually moved right down to my initial take profit area, but I wasn't too keen on sticking around for that too long because I had a couple of things to do, as I mentioned. Um, we are currently in a position where I actually am going long now after this steep drop over here. So if I zoom in a little bit, you'll see what the market's doing over here. It's making a decent reversal area on this section here of support. So that gave me enough confirmation to go long. Okay, and actually let's move this around because this will be my take profit area, my stop loss area over here. If it goes anywhere below this, I'll be stopped out at $105, but I stand to gain 367, right, which is about it's probably a 1 to 5 ratio over there. Okay, so I'll leave that in, but just look at how accurate I was on my prediction yesterday. The drop basically went down to this level and then reversed. It's played around on that specific level over there, and then in today's session we looking to go higher again. Okay, GJ, I anticipated a rise there yesterday. I didn't actually hold that position because there was too much play going on here, and then I noticed the pattern only afterwards. I noticed a common pattern that signaled a sell instead of a buy, and for that reason I kind of closed a bit earlier. I took a small profit over there and I just closed it, and be that as may, it continued dropping, so I'm glad I actually closed it off earlier. But in today's session I'm anticipating a further decline of GJ to this level over here, okay, based on my analysis, and it looks like it's doing just that at the moment, so that's good. Okay, so yeah guys, that was my projection yesterday, selling over here and taking profit over here, and today we're actually just going in the other direction. Now do you see how straightforward this is? No complications, just an up and down pattern, so to speak. And that's more or less what we teach our guys how to trade. All right, you just follow the patterns, guys. It's very simple, very straightforward. Okay, as you can see, GJ is doing pretty well. We're already in $50+ in profit, and I'm anticipating a nice drop down to 525. So I'll actually leave this one in for the day, and I'll come back to it later when I actually just do my checks and see what that looks like. So for any of you guys, I mean, it's a bit late to jump in now because you'll have a lot of play over here. As you can see, it's dropping quite fast right now, so I wouldn't just jump into that if I was you guys. And UJ seems to be moving in the right direction too, so I'm anticipating a decent profit level today, guys. So check it out, see where you are on the chart, and yeah, just do your own analysis. Make sure you're using proper risk management, and if you want to get in on this trade, I'd wait for another pullback. There will be a small pullback at some point, but not just yet. So yeah guys, there's a few other trades that I'm looking at, but I'm not particularly interested in that. But yeah, let's leave it at that for now. All right, so GJ I'm going short, and UJ I'm going long. All right, okay, I'll catch up with you guys later again. Speak to you soon. Right guys, welcome back. I just wanted to update you guys on my trades. As you can see, GJ is well into profit over here, sitting at 232, 33, 35 and rising. I'm anticipating a drop right until that level as I predicted, so anticipating that move very soon. Well, not very soon, there's some news coming out in an hour or so, so that should give it another boost down to the bottom, I hope. And my UJ, I closed it, well, I lost it in profit. Sorry, I made a small loss on that. As you can see there, that red area was my my stop loss area, and but my GJ is going to make up for it, so I'm pretty confident about that. Like I said, guys, and as you should know, this game is not always about winning. All right, you're gonna have to take the losses. You need to be prepared for that. That's just how it works. All right, because if you don't take the loss, if you can't handle the losses, then you won't be successful in this. It's very important to have the mindset of understanding that this is not always about winning. All right, a big part of trading is preparing yourself for the losses, because that's just how it is. Any game, any business, you gotta put in, you gotta take the risk, and if you're not prepared to make the losses, then this is not for you. All right, just know that your gains will be bigger than your losses. Just prepare yourself for that. All right, I've actually misanalyzed this. I should have seen that, but I can repair that. So guys, I'm gonna close off in profit over here. I want to close it with you guys watching so that you can see, and hopefully, if this is gonna take too long, then I'll just end it off here. But I'm anticipating a drop to this level over here. If not, I will take profit at 360. Yeah, I'll take profit over there. All right, just to cut a long story short. But in my analysis, I'm anticipating a drop to that level. Alright guys, I will cut it off over there and not make this video too long. So have a good weekend, guys. Stay safe, and hope you're doing something uplifting this weekend to maintain yourself and prepare yourself for the following week. Alright guys, I'll cut it off here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I shall chat to you on Monday. Safe trading.